Yeah, Broad Street. We out here.
You know what I'm about to do.
Yes, it's me, and you know what I'm about to do. Yeah. This is the illest summer ever. And I'm the illest. I need a toilet. I'm sick. I'm so ill. Yeah. Yo. I love WWE. Just a quick little morning bike ride today. I'll be back. Where I'm going next, who knows? Stay tuned.
I'm ready to go walk.
So I had to use the restroom, and I'm like right down the street from WWE, and there's a Target here. So I'm just like, this Target must have all the WWE toys here. I'm going to the toy aisle right now. Where is it? This Target has it upstairs, and I think the toys are upstairs. Where are they? Let me see. Yep, toys are up here. Oh, that's it. I feel like I'm about to be disappointed. Where's the wrestling section? What do I got? I don't see any signs of it. You'd think it'd just be everywhere. I found them. That's it. That's the wrestling section. It's literally like right down the street. That's nuts. It's just like any other Target.